Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, today we are going to discuss about descriptive text. Do you have ever learned about this material before? Okay, that's good. So, do you know what descriptive text is? Okay, here I'm going to give you an example about descriptive text. The text will tell you about Padar Island. Do you know Padar Island? Okay. It is an island for the Komodo dragon. It is located 30 kilometers from Labuan Bajo in East Nusa Tenggara. Padar Island is small, but it is the third largest island of Komodo National Park. So this is a descriptive text. The text is describing about Padar Island. And then after reading the text, now would you please try to answer these 6 questions to make you understand what the text is, the content of the text. I give you 10 minutes. Finish? Okay, now we will continue to discuss about the text because we are discussing descriptive text, and then after reading the text, do you understand what is the purpose or the social function of this text? Okay, very good. Because the text, just now we talked about Padar Island. The text is trying to describe about a particular place. The place is Padar Island. So do you know what is the purpose or the social function of descriptive text? Very good. Yes, the purpose of this text is to describe a particular person, object, and place. It describes the characteristics or features of person, object, or place specifically. Okay, remember once more. It describes the characteristic or features of a person, object, or place specifically. So the things that are described are the things specific. So it describes something specifically. Do you understand? And then the generic structure of this text, as we can see the text at the first paragraph. Yes, you can see it's very beautiful, isn't it? About Padar Island. You know, it was once home to Komodo dragon. Yes, what is it called? Very good. It is called with identification. So this part of the paragraph identify the text, identify the place, the object, or the person that is going to be described in this text. So it identify about Padar Island that it's very beautiful and it was once home to Komodo dragon. Do you understand? Okay, yes. The identification of text, this is Padar Island. Very good. So it describes about a particular place. And then the second and the third paragraph is called with very good description. It is described specifically about the place. Yeah, it describes the first is the location. Padar Island lies about 20 miles or 30 kilometers from Labuan Bajo. So it describes specific place where it is located. And then the landscape the landscape of Padar Island. It is mostly savanna covered, surreal landscape fringed by bright green capped mountains of fairy tale shapes, etc. So they are the generic structure of descriptive text. So can you tell me what is the generic structure of descriptive text? The first is, very good, yes, the first is identification, and then the second is description. Very good. And then we will discuss about the language features of this text. Look at the tense. What is the tense used in this text? Yes. Look at the example. Padar Island lies about 20 miles. Lies. Do you know lies? Okay, very good. And then Padar Island is small. The to be used is. So, what do you think the tense here? Yes, very good. For descriptive text, we use simple present tense. And then the second characteristic or the second language features of this text is, look at the next paragraph. Another charcoal black. Another charcoal black. What is it? Yes, noun phrase. So the characteristic or the language features used in this text, the first is simple present tense, and then the second we can use noun phrase. Do you understand? Okay. So before I close the class today, so let's conclude for our material today. So what is the purpose of descriptive text? Okay, very good. It is to describe a place, an object, or a person specifically. And then the generic structure of this text is, the first is identification and the second is description. Very good. And then the language features of descriptive text, the tense, the tense used is simple present tense, and then the second we use noun phrase. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much for your attention. That's all our material about descriptive text. I do hope that you can understand this material well. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.